In above example, you may notice that there are employee ID, employee name, and their correspondent manager's ID, where manager is also an employee holding a valid employee ID in same table. In short, manager ID is also an employee ID referencing any record in same table. Now, how can we fetch manager name when foreign key is referencing the same table? The answer is self-join. A self-join in SQL Server Management Studio is a type of join where a table is joined with itself. In other words, the same table is used for both the left and right sides of the join. Using a self-join can be useful in situations where you need to relate records in a table to other records in the same table. For example, in an organization chart where each employee reports to another employee, you can use a self-join to show the hierarchy of employees and their managers. Let's have a demo. In this example, the employees table is used twice, once for alias E and once for alias M. The join condition is that E.managerID must match M.employeeID. This means that we are joining each employee in the employees table with their manager, where the manager is also an employee in the same table. The select statement returns two columns, E.name, which is employee name, and M.name, which is manager name. Press F5 or hit execute. Here you get the required results. If you notice, I am using left join here because I want all matched records as well as unmatched records from left table. Therefore, we are getting Todd's manager as null, which have unmatched employee ID in right table. Now, what if I replace it with inner join? Look, I am getting all records except Todd's, for which manager ID is null, which does not match with any of the employee ID in right table.